Good evening, everybody. Ricardo Villanueva here at Garland Shelton Nissan. Hey, I'm in a 2023 Nissan Rogue SB trim. I wanted to show you one of the safety features available on this vehicle. It's called the High Beam Assist. So actually what this does is, for this function to work, you will set your headlights on auto. And then at the end of this thing, there's a button right here. I hope you can see that. And it will show right up there. See that light that goes on and off? It says it's got an A on it. Basically, it shows that feature's on. Now, what that feature does is that if you're driving on the road and you're by yourself, the high beam will come on. If there's any oncoming traffic, the lights will come on or come off. I'm sorry. Down to low beam, not necessarily off, but to low beam. Once that car gets by, and it's still pretty dark out there, the high beam will come on again. Now, if there's a car in front of you, obviously, it won't come on either. There's a bunch of other features, kind of would want to go over on this, 2023 Rogue. But because of time, we just wanted to focus on that one. If you have any questions, about this safety feature on this car, please call me at 254-760-4948. Again, this is Ricardo Villanueva here at Garland Shelton Nissan. Thank you and have a good night.